India, NewsX, Jammu.
Now, viewers, a dense fog has accompanied by the cold wave disrupted the travel across the parts of northern India, affecting the flights, trains and even the road traffic. A brisk wind speed further exacerbated the icy conditions, leaving people shivering as a thick fog blanketed several cities across the parts of northern India. Commuters were severely impacted. Flight operations at Indira Gandhi International Airport have faced massive delays, with aircraft not equipped with the Cat 3 technology particularly affected. In this condition, in fact, over 400 flights have also been delayed, while the zero visibility prevailed for 9 hours at Palam, marked the longest spell of the season. The city's primary weather station, Safdarjung, recorded 8 hours of zero visibility as well. In fact, over the past week, cold wave to severe cold wave conditions have been recorded in the parts of Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. My colleague Arzu has filed a ground report from the national capital on this, in fact, gripping the northern parts.
The cold wave cripples the North India and also Delhi NCR, witnessing a dense fog. Today morning also the temperature has been recorded at the 10 degrees Celsius, and as far as the minimum temperature is also being recorded at 6-degree temperature. Right now I am at the ITO and would like to show you the visuals. Here also you can see there is a smog, there is a fog, and also the temperature that is dripping down. And also when we talk about the pollution level, once again the pollution level has gone up and the AQI is being recorded in the very poor category. The AQI today is also recorded above 370, which comes under the very poor category. So once again people are dealing with the two challenges. One is the cold wave and another is the pollution level that has gone up. And also when we talk about the IMD has issued a yellow alert for the national capital. That's why we can clearly see the weather condition. Also there is the prediction of the rainfall from the 6th January, and today also there is a yellow alert for the national capital. And people in fact are sitting near the bonfire to protect themselves from such a chilling wind that is blowing there is a very strong force of wind that is blowing today, and that's why the people in fact facing more problem, due to which, and today is Sunday, and that's why there are less people out on the road. But when we see there are headlights that are on of the vehicles also, because the fog conditions have impacted the flights, have impacted the railway services. There are trains that are delayed, train like Vande Bharat, train like Howrah, Lucknow Mail in fact are running late, and also there are several flights that are not on time, that have been rescheduled, are running late. So everything has been impacted due to the dense fog, and people in fact dealing with it because in the coming days also there is no expectation, there is no prediction of getting relief in the coming week also. I am Arzu Seth for NewsX in Delhi.